day, YouTubers. It's day 6 and it's raining. I knew it was going to rain today because it was very overcast and it's forecast as well. So I did a little bit of filming this morning, but only a tiny amount. I put one floor joist in before it came down, and now outside, but it is raining. I've been hiding all day in the Butovka, so I don't want to get my tools wet, which would be a disaster. You can see it is, well, you can see, but it is raining, and I just don't want to get everything wet. Getting tools wet is not a good idea, and this is the problem when you're building in places like St. Petersburg or close to St. Petersburg. We're actually in Novgorod, but it's right next to St. Petersburg, and you get this weather where it's, and this year's been a disaster, isn't it? With rain, so it's a funny old year. So everything's covered up, and hopefully tomorrow it's supposed to be a bright sunny period for the next few days, hopefully, so I'll get some more done then. But as for now, I'm going to insert the bit of video that I did this morning, and that'll be it for today. So this is hello and goodbye from day 6, and I'll see you tomorrow, which will be day 7. So if you see this timber at this end, it's all nice and level. On this end, we've got a big gap here. Look at that. So we're absolutely twisted timber. See that? Now, most of the pieces are like that. So I'll show you how I can straighten that up very easily when I get it into the position. All I need to do is nail it at one end. You see that end's already twisted. You see it quite well there. So make sure this end's not twisted. As you can see, that's in position, but it is twisted somewhat. So all I'm going to do is put 2 nails in here first, at the very, very top. Two nails right beside each other. All you do is get yourself a bit of timber, a bit bigger than the hole. So this here is 57 at the ends, and this one here is 59, slightly bigger, and it's level at both sides. All you're doing is putting that in level with it, and then bang this end in, and it will level up that. It's already anchored at the top with 2 nails. So put it in and just bang it in. So I'll bring you a close-up and show you that of how it is now, as opposed to how it was. So as you can see, I've got a piece of timber in there. It's straight against that, and it's straight against it, and look, we're nice and straight now. There's no twist. Now this is okay, this kind of thing's okay if you, I mean, you could use clamps, I suppose, or whatever. And this is okay for slightly twisted timber. If it was very, very twisted, I would think twice. I'd probably cut it up and use it for something else.